Today I am reviewing the DuraComfort Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To get straight to the point, this is a unit rated at 8,500 BTU under the older ASHRAE standard, but it carries a 5,100 BTU rating under the current SACC testing protocol. It is important to be aware of this distinction because it completely changes your expectations. The SACC rating, or Seasonally Adjusted Cooling Capacity, is what you should actually pay attention to when shopping today, as it is designed by the Department of Energy to reflect real-world performance under more realistic heat and humidity conditions. While 8,500 sounds like a lot of cooling power, the 5,100 figure tells you that this is strictly a unit for compact spaces. If you are expecting to cool a large, open-concept living area or a space larger than the recommended 350 square feet, you're likely going to be disappointed by how long it takes to feel a real difference. When you unbox the DuraComfort, the first thing you will notice is the footprint. It is designed with a relatively compact profile, which is a major benefit if you are living in an apartment, a dorm, or a smaller home office where every square foot of floor space feels precious. The white finish is neutral and blends in well with most interior styles, so it is not going to be a massive eyesore sitting in the corner of your room. It is equipped with wheels and a handle, which makes moving it between rooms a fairly simple task, provided you are not trying to navigate it up and down flights of stairs every day. The setup process is arguably the strongest point of the user experience for this product. If you have ever tried to install a window-mounted unit, you know that it can be a heavy, dangerous, and nerve-wracking process. With the DuraComfort, you are essentially just rolling it into position, attaching the exhaust hose to the back, and venting that hose through your window using the included kit. You do not need to be a handyman to get this up and running. Most people will have this installed and cooling their space within 20 to 30 minutes. Just make sure your window is configured in a way that allows for the exhaust hose, as the length and flexibility of that hose will dictate exactly how far you can keep the unit from the window itself. In terms of operation, the unit offers cooling, dehumidification, and a fan-only mode. The control panel on the unit itself is straightforward and easy to read, and it comes with a remote control that lets you adjust settings without needing to get up from your desk or bed. This is particularly helpful if you use it in the bedroom and want to bump the temperature up or down in the middle of the night. It also features a timer function, which is a practical addition for anyone who wants the unit to cool a room down before they get home from work or to automatically shut off after they have fallen asleep. Now, let us talk about the reality of the performance. When this unit is running in a room that actually fits its capacity, say a 150 to 250 square foot bedroom, it does a commendable job of pulling the humidity out of the air and lowering the temperature. There is a distinct difference in the air quality once the compressor kicks in, and the breeze coming from the front vents is noticeably chilly. It is not going to turn a stifling room into an icebox in seconds, but it will take the edge off a hot afternoon effectively. However, you have to be realistic about the noise. Like almost every single-hose portable air conditioner on the market, this unit is essentially putting the loudest parts of an AC system, the compressor and the fan, inside the room with you. When it is on its highest setting, you are going to notice it. It is not necessarily a jarring or broken sound, but it is a consistent, mechanical drone that can make watching television or having a conversation a little bit more challenging. If you are a light sleeper, you might find that you need to use a white noise machine or earplugs, or you might prefer to run it on a lower fan setting once the room has reached your desired temperature to take the edge off the noise. Another thing to keep in mind is the maintenance. While the manufacturer design is intended to be user-friendly, you will need to clean the pre-filters regularly to ensure that airflow remains consistent. Additionally, even though these systems are designed to evaporate most of the moisture they collect through the exhaust hose, if you live in an area with extremely high humidity, you might find that you need to drain the internal tank occasionally. It is not an everyday chore, but it is something that you should keep on your radar so you do not end up with an unexpected puddle or a unit that shuts itself off because the tank is full. For whom is this unit actually intended? I would say this is an excellent choice for a renter who cannot make permanent modifications to their space and needs a seasonal cooling solution for a single bedroom or a home office. If you have a room that gets direct afternoon sunlight and becomes unbearable during the peak of the day, having a dedicated, portable unit like this can make the difference between a productive day and one where you're just trying to survive the heat. The price-to-performance ratio is where it shines. You are getting a decent build quality and a reliable, albeit limited, cooling solution for a price that is generally much lower than upgrading your entire home's HVAC or installing multiple mini-split units. On the other hand, you should definitely avoid this if you have an open floor plan, or if you're looking to cool a large space. Physics is not on your side here. If you try to force this unit to cool a space that is too large, the compressor will run constantly, you will see your electricity bill climb, and you will never actually reach the level of comfort you are looking for. It is not a whole home solution, and treating it like one will only lead to frustration. Additionally, if you have very specific aesthetic or sound requirements, like a perfectly silent environment for recording audio, you should know that no portable unit in this price bracket is going to be truly silent. I also want to mention the build quality. The plastic housing is sturdy enough for its purpose, but it is not a luxury appliance. The buttons on the remote feel a bit utilitarian, and the plastic window slider kit might need some minor modification, like adding a bit of weather stripping or using some duct tape to get an absolutely perfect, airtight seal depending on the specific dimensions of your window. These are small, common hurdles with budget-friendly cooling, but they are worth noting so you are not surprised when you pull everything out of the box. When thinking about the value, you have to weigh the convenience against the limitations. You are paying for the ability to move the unit, the ease of installation, and the ability to reclaim your personal comfort in a small space. If you go into this understanding that it is a 5,100 BTU SACC machine, you're going to be satisfied with what it can accomplish. If you go into it expecting it to perform like a massive central air system, you're going to be disappointed. It serves a specific, practical purpose, and it does that job well without asking for a massive investment of time or money. Is it worth buying? For the right person in the right space, yes. It provides a tangible increase in comfort during those months when the heat becomes overwhelming. It is a tool. Like any tool, it has a specific use case. If you have a small, sweltering bedroom that makes it hard to sleep, this is a very reasonable way to solve that problem. If you are dealing with a larger room or have very high expectations for silence and extreme cooling power, you might want to look at more powerful, albeit more expensive, window or split system options instead. Ultimately, this is a very standard, middle-of-the-road portable AC. It does not try to be flashy or over-engineered. It does not have unnecessary smart features that will break or become obsolete in a year. It focuses on the basics, pulling hot, humid air out of a small area and replacing it with cool, conditioned air. For most people, that is exactly what they need. It is a straightforward product for a straightforward problem. If you need something to get you through the summer in a small, enclosed room, it is a sensible, practical purchase that will get the job done. Just be sure to double-check the square footage of your room before you commit, and remember that with these types of units, a good seal on your window kit makes a massive difference in how well the unit performs. It is those little details in the setup that will determine whether you are happy with the purchase or whether you feel like you are fighting against the heat all season long.